Shooter Bones here, aka the Midnight Ace. Right now, we're going to bet some big money, everybody. Some big money. Well, big money for me. We're going to start off with $1,000. Right now, I need you guys' help before we start. I need 50 subscribers. So please, hook me up, help me out. 50 subscribers. That way we can go live. Go live, we can have some fun together. And yeah, let's build this community up. Everyone's been warm and welcoming, inviting. Yeah, so let's do that. 50 subscribers, everybody. Let's try and do that by July. So then, let's make this money, baby. All right. Hardy. Eat. It's going to be 3, 4. All right. 0.8. Let's play 3 on the 6. And we'll do 150 on the 5. So let's do that. Here we go. 8. Winner. .8. Been nice to hit that 6. I hope everybody's having a 50 roll day. Let's put the dice down. I already had them here, so let's do 4. All right. Let's do 4 here. 6. All right, we're gonna move this 6 to the 8. All right, come on, we need this, something, let's hit that 6. 4. 1, 3, 4. Tension. 10. 6, 4, 10. Tree. 1, 2. The shocker. That's going to be, actually, let's just do quarters. So 375, just in case you didn't. 375. We're going to play the, let's do. So here we go. Let's have it. That's I'm sick. Always happens, man. When we take our time. Always happens. It's alright. So we're down by a lot. We're gonna have to make this come back. So we're gonna chase it. We're going all in. And let's do the tall. Now we'll do the small and tall. And 6. Yeah, we're empty. Let's do it. 8. Oh man, that really hurt. 10. 3. This shocker. Ace deuce. 8. 8, 8, 8. Chocolate cake 8. 6, 2. Fever. 1, 4. 1, 4 fever. Come on, 4. Come on, 4. 8. Chocolate cake. 6, 2. And 7 out. Alright. Hope it was fun for you. Hope you made some money on those rolls. And don't forget, look out for your dealer. And you have an awesome 50 roll day.